Want a sleek animated navigation bar using only HTML and CSS? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to build a responsive navbar with a smooth hover underline effect. No JavaScript needed. Let's get started. First, create a new project folder. Inside it, add two files, index.html and style.css. Open them in your code editor, and make sure your browser is ready to preview the result. That's all you need to follow along. Now, let's begin with the HTML structure. Open index.html and create a simple nav element. Inside the nav, add an unordered list with 4 links: Home, About, Services, and Contact. This gives us a clean and semantic structure that CSS can style easily. Next, move to style.css and add the base styling. Reset the body margins, set a font, and then style the navbar container. Give it a background color and some vertical padding. For the list, use display flex so the items line up horizontally. Center them across the page and add spacing with the gap property. For the anchor links, set the text color to white, remove the underline, and add a little vertical padding. Now let's prepare the links for animation. Each link should be position relative. This allows us to use a pseudo element for the animated underline. Also, add a smooth transition on color or transform so the animation feels fluid when hovering. Here comes the animation trick. For every link, use the after pseudo element. Set it to absolute position, place it at the bottom. Give it a small height of 2 or 3 pixels, and make the width 100%. Apply a background color or even a gradient for a nice effect. Initially, scale the underline to 0 using transform scale x, 0. And set the transform origin to the left. Then, when the link is hovered, scale it back to 1. The transition property will handle the smooth animation, creating a sleek underline that grows from left to right. You can enhance the effect further by adding easing, gradients, or even staggered timing for multiple links. To make it responsive, add a media query. For example, under 600 pixels. Switch the list from a horizontal row to a vertical column, and reduce the spacing between the links. This way, the navbar looks good on both desktop and mobile. Let's quickly recap. We built a navigation bar with simple HTML, a nav, an unordered list, and links. Then we styled it with CSS using Flexbox for layout, position relative for the links, and a pseudo element with transform animations for the hover underline. It's lightweight, responsive, and works smoothly without any JavaScript. That's it. Test your code in the browser and adjust the colors, timing, and styles to match your own design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more bite-size CSS and HTML tutorials. And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to share this effect as a reusable snippet.